Hey guys, so today we will see how to install Terraform on your Windows machine. Guys, it's really a easy process. You don't have to follow so many steps. So first of all, just go to your search bar and type Terraform download. From here, you need to go to the first link, go all the way down, and you can see Windows 64-bit. Since I'm using 64-bit, I'm gonna click on the 64-bit. Guys, you can select any of the operating system from here. There won't be any issue. Now, once it gets downloaded, just open it. And first of all, you need to unzip it. I don't do anything. I'll just cut it and I'll create one folder on desktop and I'll make it Terraform. Guys, you can do it anywhere you want at any location. There won't be any issue. So once it gets extracted, you just need to copy the path. Okay. Just copy the path and right click on this PC, go to properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables, click on path, make sure it should be path, click on edit, click on new and paste that path here. Once it gets done, click on OK. From here, click on OK, click on OK, close everything. Now open your favorite editor. I can use anything, command prompt, PowerShell, Visual Studio, anything. Now, if you want to confirm whether your Terraform is installed, just type Terraform. As you can see, the Terraform has been installed. You can type Terraform space hyphen version. It will show you the current version. Guys, that's it. It's really easy to install Terraform. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.